Let's dive into how trends explode into global phenomena and why some stick around while others fade into oblivion. First, we have the spark. Every trend starts with a catalyst, a moment, an idea, or a piece of content that captures attention. Think of the viral sensation of a song that suddenly resonates with a specific audience. It could be a catchy hook, a relatable lyric, or even a unique dance move. This initial spark often comes from a niche community, like a TikTok creator or a small indie artist, who shares something fresh and authentic. Their passion ignites interest, and suddenly what was once obscure becomes the talk of the town. Next up are the accelerators. This is where early adopters come into play. These are the trendsetters, those who jump on new ideas and amplify them. They share, remix, and create variations, often using social media algorithms to their advantage. Platforms like TikTok and Instagram thrive on this, pushing content to wider audiences based on engagement. The remix culture is crucial here. It allows anyone to take a trend and put their spin on it, making it more relatable or entertaining. This rapid sharing creates a snowball effect, where the trend gains momentum and reaches critical mass. Now, let's talk about the peak and the plunge. Once a trend hits its peak, it often faces saturation. Everyone is talking about it, creating content around it, and it can feel like it's everywhere. This is where trend fatigue sets in. Audiences grow tired of seeing the same thing over and over. What was once exciting can quickly become stale. Some trends manage to evolve and adapt, finding new life through nostalgia or innovative twists, while others crash and burn, forgotten in a matter of weeks. Finally, let's wrap up with an actionable takeaway. If you want to engage with trends effectively, focus on authenticity. Don't just jump on the bandwagon, add your unique voice or perspective. Pay attention to the early signals of what's gaining traction and be ready to create or share content that resonates with your audience. Remember, trends are often fleeting, but the connections you make through them can be lasting. Embrace the moment, but don't lose sight of what makes your content genuinely you.